Entering your 30s is a major milestone in life, and by this time, you'll want to have a solid understanding of how to manage your finances. Whether you're just starting out in your career or beginning to navigate adult responsibilities, mastering key financial skills before turning 30 is crucial to building a strong financial foundation. The earlier you learn how to manage your money, the better positioned you'll be for a secure and successful future. In this video, we're going to dive into the top 5 financial skills everyone must learn before 30 and how mastering these skills can set you on the path to financial freedom. Let's get started. 1. Budgeting and money management. One of the most important financial skills to master before 30 is budgeting and money management. Many young adults struggle with managing their finances because they don't know where their money is going. Without a clear budget, it's easy to spend recklessly, overspend on non-essential items, and end up living paycheck to paycheck. Creating a budget involves tracking your income and expenses and categorizing your spending to see where you can cut back. The key to a successful budget is understanding the 50/30/20 rule, which is a simple framework for managing your money. 50% of your income should go toward needs, such as rent, utilities, and food. 30% should be allocated to wants, such as entertainment, dining out, and hobbies, and 20% should go towards savings and debt repayment. In addition to the 50/30/20 rule, consider setting up a system for managing different financial goals, such as saving for emergencies, paying down debt, and planning for future goals like buying a home or retirement. Having clear goals helps you prioritize what's most important for your financial well-being. This could involve using tools like budgeting apps or spreadsheets to ensure you're on track. Being disciplined with your budget and actively tracking your finances will help you avoid the stress of living paycheck to paycheck and will give you more financial control as you get older. The key is consistency and reassessing your budget as your income and expenses evolve. 2. Saving and building an emergency fund. Before turning 30, you should have a strong understanding of how to save and build an emergency fund. An emergency fund acts as a financial cushion, giving you peace of mind and ensuring that unexpected expenses don't throw off your financial stability. The goal is to have enough saved to cover 3 to 6 months of living expenses in case of an emergency, such as a job loss, medical emergency, or unexpected car repair. Many people make the mistake of waiting until their finances are in order before starting to save, but the earlier you start building your emergency fund, the better. This isn't just about saving for a rainy day. It's about creating a safety net that allows you to handle life's uncertainties without falling into debt. Having an emergency fund will also help you avoid relying on credit cards or loans when faced with an unexpected financial setback, ultimately saving you money in interest payments and fees. To build an emergency fund, set up an automatic savings plan, where a portion of your income is automatically transferred to a high-interest savings account each month. Start small if needed, but make it a habit, and gradually increase the amount as you earn more. By consistently contributing to your emergency fund, you will gain confidence in your financial situation and avoid scrambling for funds when an unexpected expense arises. Over time, this habit will provide you with financial security and help you weather the storms life may throw your way without the stress of scrambling for money or turning to high-interest debt. The earlier you start, the more you'll benefit from this critical financial safety net. 3. Investing for the future. Another essential financial skill is learning how to invest for the future. While saving is important, investing allows you to grow your wealth over time and outpace inflation. Many people delay investing because they feel they don't have enough money to get started or they don't understand how to begin. But the earlier you start investing, the better, as even small amounts can grow significantly over time due to the power of compound interest. Before you turn 30, it's crucial to understand the basics of investing, such as how stocks, bonds, and mutual funds work. Start by opening a retirement account, such as a 401k or an IRA, individual retirement account, as these accounts offer tax advantages and are designed for long-term growth. Many employers also offer matching contributions to your 401k, which is essentially free money. Don't miss out on that benefit. The idea is to invest your money in assets that will appreciate over time, and retirement accounts are among the most effective ways to do so, especially if your employer matches your contributions. Aside from retirement accounts, consider index funds and ETFs, exchange-traded funds, which offer low cost, diversified exposure to the stock market. These funds allow you to invest in a broad range of companies, helping reduce risk while still offering potential for strong returns. It's important to remember that investing is a long-term commitment, and the earlier you start, the more you'll benefit from compound interest, which is a process of earning returns on your initial investment and the returns you've already accumulated. By starting early and making consistent contributions, you can significantly grow your wealth and ensure financial security for the future. Understanding these investment principles before turning 30 will put you on the path to financial independence and help you make your money work for you over time. 4. Understanding credit and managing debt. Understanding credit and managing debt is one of the most important financial skills you need to learn before 30. While credit cards, student loans, and mortgages can be useful tools, they also come with risks if not managed properly. Millionaires know how to leverage credit wisely while avoiding falling into bad debt. Start by understanding how your credit score works and what factors influence it, such as payment history, credit utilization, and types of credit. Maintaining a healthy credit score is essential for getting approved for loans, mortgages, and, in some cases, employment opportunities. Ensure that you're consistently making on-time payments and keeping your credit utilization rate below 30% to boost your score. In addition, work on managing and paying down debt. High-interest debt, such as credit card debt, can quickly spiral out of control, so prioritize paying it off as soon as possible. The key to managing debt is making consistent payments, avoiding new debt, and understanding the terms of your loans. As you move into your 30s, aim to be debt-free or have low, manageable debt that doesn't interfere with your ability to save and invest for future. 5. Financial goal setting and planning. Before 30, it's important to master the skill of setting financial goals and planning for the future. Self-made millionaires and financially successful individuals all have one thing in common. They set clear financial goals and develop actionable plans to achieve them. Whether it's buying a home, building an emergency fund, or saving for retirement, creating a roadmap for your financial future will help you stay on track and make better financial decisions. Start by breaking your goals down into short-term, mid-term, and long-term categories. Short-term goals might include paying off credit card debt, saving for a vacation, or building your emergency fund. Mid-term goals can involve purchasing a home, funding your children's education, or starting a business. Long-term goals would include saving for retirement or investing in real estate. Once you have your goals in place, create a detailed financial plan that outlines how much money you need to save and invest each month to reach them. This might involve adjusting your budget, finding additional sources of income, or seeking professional advice to help you make the right investment decisions. Having clear goals and a plan to achieve them is one of the most important skills you can learn in your 20s, as it will help guide your financial decisions and set you up for a financially secure future. There you have it, the top 5 financial skills everyone must learn before 30. Mastering these financial skills early can help you build a solid foundation for your financial future, set you up for long-term success, and give you the confidence to manage your money effectively. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on personal finance and how you can achieve financial freedom. Let me know in the comments which financial skill you're most excited to learn or improve on before turning 30. I'll see you in the next video.